There he is. He's eating some fish out there. He's popping up and in and out of that hole. Hey, little buddy. Whoop. Back down in. Morning, everybody. Today is January 10th. I know what day it is anyway. That's a plus. We're headed out. Gonna go do a little fishing today over at one of the camps by my house. And I got my buddy Rusty coming. So let's get out here. We'll get some holes drilled. It's just getting light, so we'll see what happens. All right, we'll stand by. We'll keep you posted on what I do. Okay, here comes Rusty. Let's see what goes on here. Pretty slick, Rust, huh?
What?
Pretty slick out here today.
A little bit. I'll try this one.
All right, we got something on here pretty good. See if we can get it up out of there. Oops. Trying to hold the phone and reel this in at the same time. See what we can do. With the waxworm and marmuska. Whoa. Pretty hefty though. I don't want to pull the hook. Hopefully it's a big calico or something. Yeah. Whoa. The rod tip's freezing up. Not good. Ooh, it's a killer perch. Let's see. Look at that thing. Man, it's a beast of a perch, Rusty. She's a good one. Let's put the stick down. How big is it? It's about 13.5 inches. That one's a doozy. There's a foot next to it.
Did you have two bugs on or just one?
Double bug, man. I had 2 bugs on. He came off the bottom, so keep going. Let's see what we can do here.
Yeah,
We got a doozy on here. Let's see what we can do. Boy, it's still freezing, the ice. Trying to get this guy up. Let's see what this is. Check my line. Boy, it's heavy, whatever it is. Keep it going. Eyes are freezing on the rod. What's another big perch if we could get him in? There he is. Woo-wee! That's a good one. Right there, he's about another 12-incher. Let's see. Get out the ruler. Yeah, he's about 12. Yep, 12 inches, 12.5 inches. That's a good one. You coming over, bud?
I'm gonna look. I want to see the size of it.
All right. All right, here we go. Got another fish on. He feels pretty good. Let's see if we can get it in. Yeah. Trying to hold the phone and not drop it in the hole. We got another decent perch. Woohoo! There's a meal. We got 3 of them. Let's keep it going. Rusty's coming over now. He sees I'm getting a couple, so that's good. Let's keep it going. Come on, dude. Here we go. We just gotta miss the bite. See if we can get him in. Feels pretty decent. See if we can get him in. Boy, did he just run the drag, huh, Rusty? See if we can get that little guy to come up. He shot over to the side over there. Ooh. Another good perch. Okay. They're like 11, 12 inches. They're really good. Let's keep it going, buddy. Come on. All right, Rusty's got one on here. Let's get over here and see if we can help him out. How does he feel, buddy? Little?
I might have to have something on.
Let's see.
It's been a while.
He's a keeper, though.
Yeah, well.
Here, let's see. Good job, buddy.
Right.
All right, let's go.
Thanks.
Yeah. Ooh, he's pulling the drag. Another good perch here, I hope. See what we can do.
I didn't lay down.
Let's see what we can do. Yeah, that's how I had one hit before like that. Oh, that's me. He's tangled in you. Let me have it, Russ. Oh, no, he's not. Okay. Oh, yeah, I am. Hang on. I got your line. Hang on, buddy. We're twisted up. Hang on. Ooh, here's another big perch. I got Rusty's line, though. I got to get going here. Let's get him off. All right, here we go. Rusty's got a good fish on here. Let's see what he's got. Oh, yeah, he's got a nice perch. Boy, that's a doozy, Rusty. Nice work, man. Oh, boy. Good job, man. All right. Well, we're going to keep going here. That's what we're getting. Boy, that is a killer. It's probably... Let me put the stick on it. Hang on a minute, buddy. Let's see how big it is. Let's see. Oh yeah, he's all a 12 inches probably. 12 and a half. Good perch, buddy. Give me a thumbs up. We'll make you, hey buddy, for the chat. All right, man, let's go. All right, here we go. Rusty's got another one on. How's he feel, buddy? Nice work. Oh yeah, that's a doozy.
Wow. That's not like the couple big ones we got earlier.
No, that's a good perch right there. I bet he's 11 and a half, 12 inch. Hold it up near. Oh yeah, man. That's a nice one. All right, let's keep it going. Okay, everybody, so there you have it. For January 10th. Me and Rusty were out here. We caught some perch here. Right in the pail, right here. Good pail of fish there. I don't know how many, maybe about a dozen. But it was perch, one bluegill, We were looking for a few calicos. Never showed up. Not a perfect world. Anyway, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We're out of here. See ya.
Like an animated series. One wonders what it's worth. We're stretching out the theories. Could shave off the face of the earth. But I know if I'm on an aeroplane wing, I can control my puppets hanging on their string. But don't break your neck, your head is porcelain.